what a better time to run this because it just turned 21 years old. Made in May of 2005. I think I'm gonna change the filter whenever I can get one. Let's see, what bags do these take? I have to look and see. This is really hard to open, like... Oh, that's how it is with the Tempos and the Supremes. Can't get this open. I would say the same bags as any bagged wide path. Sounds like a smart vac. These things sound like a smart vac. Has amazing airflow. And I've noticed that these things are actually less... I feel like these things are less common in the US than they are in the UK because... I've never seen any of these as I was growing up. So, I don't know. Still a great machine either way.